COOSOLUX. We're unboxing the product, show you how it comes nicely packaged. As we lift out of the box, it's in plastic and its own carrying case. It has a handle, Velcro so you can open it up, separate the handle, zippers, insulated around the casings all around, well protected, have Velcroed in your light in an olive green color. Check online for further details about the product and further information. We have an instruction guide. We have some hardware, stakes, cables, a strap, and the tripod also well protected. The light has 5 through 12 hours of runtime with an 8800 milliamp battery and different levels of brightness. There's 2 ways of charging the unit, through the solar array or the USB-C port located on the back of the unit. The USB-A to USB-C cable is supplied 3 feet, simply plug in to a power source. When plugged into a power source, the green light will flash on and off, showing charge. The tripod stands 72 plus inches, 6 feet. You're simply going to open up, lock down, loosen up each of the thumb bolts as it's spring loaded, and lift up to the height you need. When placing the head unit on top, this is where it stands over 6 feet tall by a pressure clip sliding down, twisting and locking into place. Adjusting the light by the thumb bolt on the side and locking it in. And then adjusting the pole accordingly to your liking. We have 1 permanent light. 1 light is detachable, held on by magnets by a strong pull, and it has a hook that you can hang up anywhere imaginable. There's the magnet, the way it holds, and let's step on over here. So if I needed light, it will hold on to an area. The pole is made of metal. It'll also hold on there if you need to expand your light in a different form. Charging via USB-C, solar panel, and when want to completely charge, those are your options by simply placing back on. And allowed to fully charge by the sun's rays. The on and off button has a single press, long press, double press. It has 3 modes of lighting, 30, 60, and 100%. As we hit the button long press, the light comes on. A single press, it increases the light level to 100% brightness. Double press, we have an on and off flash, the SOS. Long press shuts the light off. On the back of the unit, the same principle. Long press, single press changes to the 3 light modes, and then back to the low, and double press will give the SOS. Long press shuts it off. You have 3 magnets, north and south, located on both of the areas, and the magnets here, the gold pins, they match up, they lock into place correctly, and when you turn on the on and off button, both lights will come on and act the same way with the 3 modes that are pressed. So you have an additional brightness of levels. Double press will get you to that SOS alternating light. There's a lot of information about the light. You have a screw that unscrews over here, and you have a tripod on the side of the light. This is a camping, a repair light, and more. We're going to demonstrate in the evening hours of the light. The 1/4 20 threads are located on the side for optional parts. If on a soft ground, the stakes go in the legs over here on each of the sides. You're given a strap. They have those 1/4 areas of interest. It's a small strap that you can simply hook together for safety. On the back of the unit, you have the hot shoes that simply snap out. They can be reversed on, and they simply screw on like so. You can hang the light anywhere imaginable. You could put the straps anywhere on the sides. You can hang in any particular order imaginable. They could be snapped back in, so you can hang the light like so. And then if you want to free it and go around things, you could adjust the length of the strap. It's a very simple pull, and it's strong and will not. If you're out camping, hiking, biking, and you want to collect the sun all day and have a light all night, this product may be something you are after. Set up, charge your light, as simple as grabbing the pole, opening it up. Doesn't take too long to set up. It's very fast and easy. Loosen the bolts, pop the things, grab the sun, and let it charge all day. Allow the unit to charge before using, and off we go. We're adjusting the height of the pole for the light. We're turning on in the back of the light a long press, and it lights up the area as you can see. Press it again, it increases, and one more time. It increases to the full brightness from 30%, 60%, 100%. And then if you want to take off the actual piece over here and you want to shine it as a spotlight, you can. And I'll come over this way. You can see the center, how it goes over there on the fence and on the pole. And then you can simply turn it off on the back of the button here. You lower it down, increase it 60%, 100%, and then the spotlight that is on. And then just simply take it, make sure you put it back on correctly, lock it into place, and adjust the angle you like. And let's not forget a double press. It gives you the SOS. Press it again, it'll cancel out and go to the 30%, 60%, 100%, and then back down to 30%. Car repairs. Working by the tire, underneath the hood, changing the light levels from low 30% to 60%, and full brightness of 100% is very bright for your needs. Under the hood, taking the light off from the unit, placing on something magnetic to do your work. Grabbing the hook and lighting up, placing on like so from above. Different levels of lighting for your brightness for a spotlight. It's just not a camping light, it's a work light that you can work all around by simply a long press turning on the lights. And you can just hang things up or place it up anywhere imaginable that you need to have a light. So I hope this camping light is something that you are looking for when you need to shut your power off, do your work when you need additional lights hung up all over. Simply reattach it to the base when you need that extra light, as simple as 1, 2, 3, and adjust it to the angle you need. Your solar-powered USB-C charging light. It's great for camping, hiking, biking, RVing, fishing, working around the car, in the basement, anywhere imaginable. I hope you enjoy your product that comes with everything here. It's very simple to take apart, fold up, shut off, and store away in a nice carrying bag. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in a camping light. Lightweight, portable, easy to store. Enjoy your solar-powered camping light.